Hey guys, good afternoon. Today we're just arrived here in Romantic Villa in Siargao Island, and ganda niya dito. The Merchant swimming pool and beach. That's my billiard, and dyan yung ibang room. Tapos yung entrance is there, and then the reception, and we can also get a drink there.
Food.
Yes, and food, and also the breakfast is there. And I'll show you guys something to welcome. Shaun O'Brien is there. Sana all famous. My mom, she and papa is feeling tourist. They're drinking. Diara ka sa table pa, diara ka. Diyan ay. Si Shaun na kay magdaya. Tapos you can have a drink sa dari. Ay, may buntis dyan. Nice siya, meron siyang swimming pool. Diyan na kami sa amo koan. Sa amo Villa, itur ko kamo. Ayan yan yung labas, yung gate. Tapos marami siyang mga tanim-tanim na mga plants. Presko tan-awon. And then, ito yung sa outside. Pwede ka diri mag-chill. And that's the window. Ini ang entrance. Ito yung entrance. Nandiyan na yung mga bagahe namin. Basin na si Shaun. Tapos dyan mo special guest. Si mama san si papa. And hi! Welcome! Welcome to Siargao Island Romantic Villa, Shaun and Bonnie. And the good thing is there's two bed, one for me and one for Shaun. Okay, you're not allowed to come to my bed. And na I am TV. Tapos may pa-welcome drink pala kami kanina, di ko na na-vlog. Tapos yung light, cute. The cabinet is very native. Meron siyang safety box. Oh, that's it. Empty siya. Nandiyan yung aircon. Maganda yung yung mga may pag gumamela pa sila, char. Gumamela is real. Tapos ito pa. I think another towel. Maraming gumamela. Lot of pillow, babe. Oh. I have a lot of pillow, babe. I got 6 pillow. Ay, sana all may pa-drinks da, John. Pilsen is real. Pwede din kayo makaluto. We have caldero. Charot. Babe, I don't know how to use it. This one. That's my heater.
Yeah, you just press it.
Okay. Heater.
So it's electric in it.
So when you do the stir fry, just press it.
You're going to plug it in.
Yeah. Just press this one.
Yeah.
Fire
That's your
control.
temperature. Yeah, that's your temperature.
So it's gonna be light when it's 120 degree like that. Okay. And then meron kaming plato, kutsara, tinidor, tawtaran, luwag, charot. Tapos may steamer, masiguro na. What is in the cabinet? It's empty. Empty man ang cabinet. Wala may pan. Sink. Tapos may pagumamela. And then merong little fridge. May tubig. Bayad yan, guys. Hindi yan free. Kung iinumin mo. Tapos may pa-apple, may pa-banana pa sila. Are you gonna pay this banana and the apple as well?
No, it's free.
It's free? Okay. May can opener. 2 water. This 2 water is free.
Yeah.
Okay. And meron 2 cups and maraming coffee and sugar, cream. I have a lot to bring na naman pa uwi. And let's go to the toilet. Charan! Marmol ang sahig. Ayan yung sink. Tissue. Tapos meron din silang tooth care. Ayan, may baso. course, hindi mawala yung mirror natin dyan. Okay. Ayan yung sa bubong. Marami lang siyang dumi doon sa bubong. Pero, okay lang. Tapos, ito yung ating shower. Ayan. It's our tour for today. Si Madam, nagpaharuhay. Meron din electric fan. Abri magudapirtahan. Hey guys, we're going to the resort. Diyan lang yung ano namin, studio. It's about 2 to 3 minutes walk. Is it really 3 minutes? Bumabalik na yung mga lobby dito.
Slow walk.
Yeah. Just enjoying the walk. You can visit that bar as well.
Yeah, we can visit that one.
Maybe it's a vampire. And then going later on our villa.
Also keep the curtains closed.
Secure everything, lock everything, no? How your first
It's alright.
first night in Siargao, sleep in the jungle?
Very warm. Very warm. Very nice. Nice to be back.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Kami karon sa kuan beach ng romantic villa kay you can either have in the beach or on the pool. Ganda ng view. Shunibuni, where are you? Kulaga. So, do you like the view here?
Yes.
Huh?
Nice at night.
Is it? Yeah, is it nice at night time, I think. But it's look like gonna be rain, babe. It's look like gonna be rain.
Won't rain for long, will it?
Yeah. But look at your outfit again. We're on the beach and jogging. Don't like hilam kay mabasa ko. Ayaw pa. Bigaon jud si Shaun ay. Dabtunon kaayo kan bin. I'm not ready for swimming. It's so cold. Look at that. Come on, go there. You're my model, right? You're supposed to wear a flip-flop, babe. You're supposed to wear a flip-flop. Babe, it's nice there as well to sit to the other beds. Ganda yung mga ano nila dito guys, villa. Kaso lang parang ano maulan. Na yan yung billiard. Pwede ka mag-billiard dyan. And ayan na yung aking model. Nakaupo. Hello, can I have your number? What's your name? Are you lost, baby boy? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a beautiful woman. I don't know where she's gone though.
So you didn't find her yet?
No.
No. Maybe.
Maybe you're the one. Come here. Let me find
Wow, it's so quick.
Come here.
How do you know that it's me?
Like you see.
Huh? Why his shirt is magical?
Yes, very.
We'll see. Dun, turun, 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 turun. Let's try, Belle. Let's try. Oh, it's magical. You're the one. Ang buang na ni guys. So, buang na kayang akong palangga. Are you buang?
Why?
Buang with me?
Very.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, the bridge is over there, isn't it?
You think in the back of that? I know. Is this somewhere there, Lam? I don't know where it is.
You should do.
Well, I can't see.
Yeah.
No, I don't need your glasses. It's gonna make me blind.
Can you see it now?
No, I can't see.
Oh.
It's getting worse. It's getting worse, my darling. Demo. Namali ako.
This one.
I love you, baby. What are you asking me? I'm sure. Ang sweet naman ni Dudong. Ang sweet naman ni Dudong. No.
Come on. Come on.
I'm probably stronger than you.
Come on.
No. Over in bikini. Can you drive that?
Easy.
Easy.
Is there?
You don't even know how to drive motorbike? Don't give me the shit.
Yeah.
Ah.
Ride a motorbike.
In your dreams.
Alright. Yeah. Well, I'm still riding a motorbike.
Yeah. Yes. See to the guys. Bye guys. Hi guys. We're gonna end our vlog for today, kay. Hi guys. We're gonna end our vlog for today.
Hi guys. We're gonna end our vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Come again. Thank you.
Please
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell. Thank you. Love you.
Love you. Nagpakilo yarn.